This is Amcan Tech and welcome to my video. Today I bought a Lenovo 600 wireless media mouse, mainly for replacing this one. It was a mouse from AliExpress that has a dongle for 2.4 gigahertz and then also Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth never works. It charges over micro USB, which is good and bad, but it overall it's quite small and it's not ergonomic. So I wanted something a little better. The benefit of this is also that it's like $3 and it's easy to get a stick in your bag and on the go, whereas something like this is going to be a bit bigger. So it is more ergonomic, but it is definitely taller, wider. It's only 2.4 gigahertz and it goes over AA battery. You only need a single one, which is good and bad. And it comes with one, and you get a dongle. Surprisingly, the dongle wasn't put in the storage unit, but when you're on the go and if it's not connected to your computer, you could just stick it here for ease of use. You could change DPI settings, and there's a few extra buttons. So there's a button here, which is not very loud. Click the scroll wheel, the left and right, and then there's two more buttons here. I had one in my Razer mouse that I used for like quick scroll forward and back, but it should be customizable via the Lenovo app, I guess. To clarify, this button toggles between 3 DPI states, and you'll know when it's on. It'll blink at different speeds based on what the manual says. So if you click once, it'll be 1000 DPI, and it'll blink once. And then if it blinks twice, it's 1600 DPI, and 3 times it's 2400. But if it blinks rapidly, then there's something wrong with the battery. And these by default are for volume up and down. And then this is for the scroll wheel speed. And it's a button, but you need to press harder because I guess when you're lying, you don't want it to accidentally get clicked if you're using it just to scroll.